Hello all together. Welcome to my new video for tips and tricksery with a Swiss Army knife. Today I will show you how to crack an egg with a Swiss Army knife. What we need. We need a Swiss Army knife and we need an egg. Take a boiled egg, not a raw egg. I'm sure you know why. When not, try it. So there are several ways to open the egg with a Swiss Army knife. You can use the eyelet to crack the egg, but it is not so efficient. It is more efficient to open a coconut. For open an egg, it is more helpful to use the whole Swiss Army knife. Use the side of the Swiss Army knife. Delicious. I hope it is a helpful trick for you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.